everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 12th to the 16th of January 2026 on Monday. Sakile pushes for a family truce, but Tiny and Petunia meeting erupts. As tensions rise, Nguga returns sparks trouble, and Jason is blindsided by corruption charges on Tuesday. Jason regained community support amid the party backlash. Kaisa celebrates a matric success, but feels let down. Tiny and Petunia reconcile, ending their feud with family tension simmer on Wednesday. Jason scrambles to repay 20 million to the municipality. Kaisa's party derails when Msizi overdoses. Tiny pressure teams for Sipho's job, and he gives in to stop her leaving on Thursday. Jason sells his depot shares to Zwelethwa, but still falls short, facing or forcing him to call Nguga. After the party fallout, Kaisa faces a drug test, and Tiny is approved for Sipho's job on Friday. Jason races to raise 20 million as Ngubane's evidence seals his fate. Kaisa moves back home after mother's apology. Tiny plans to leave for KZN until Tim offers her a job. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on